In this video, I'll show you start to finish how you can make a whip pan transition to stun your friends. What's up everybody, my name is Julian, I'm the creator of Smartphone Filmmaking Pro, and this is the second video of our video series where I'm showing you in depth, start to finish, how you can make some cool transitions with your smartphone and the Zhiyun Smooth 5S. Generally speaking, with the whip pan transition you can do basically whatever you want. The only thing that is important, you have to end the first shot with whipping into one direction, and then you have to start the second shot whipping in the same direction. So I'll just start the recording right now. I'll just walk towards Alex, and then at the end I just whip to the right in this case. And now for me it is very important that I remember that I whipped to the right, because when we reach our second location I have to start the shot whipping to the right again. But now let's search for a second location. Okay, so now we have found our second location. It looks kind of similar, but I think you will get the picture. So like I've said before, the first thing and the only thing that is really important for this transition, we need to start the second shot just as we ended the first one. So I'll press the record button. I'll now pan to the left now to have this frame. Then I whip to the right, and then I walk forward slowly towards Alex. That's basically it. Something that is important with this transition, if it is a super bright sunny day, then you will need to have an ND filter on your smartphone, because otherwise you won't have motion blur, because this is what you need to have to really sell this transition. The good part of the Zhiyun Smooth 5S, and that is also a big reason why I like this gimbal so much, is that the motors are strong enough that you can actually use ND filters. So yeah, that's basically it. That is the shooting process. And now I'll show you how you can edit the clips together. Alright, welcome to the editing part of the whip pan transition. And the good part is the editing of the whip pan is super simple. So without any further ado, I would say let's hop into the program. And the app that I will be using on my iPhone today is called VN. But don't worry, that one also works on Macs, that works on Android phones, and even on Windows computers. So no matter what device you have, you will still be able to use that. So I have already imported my shots into the program, and as you can see, I've turned off the audio just so that we do not have any distractions here. And as I was walking forward towards Alex, I was whipping to the right. And the second shot, I started with a whip to the right again. So now the only thing that we need to do is we need to find sort of the peak of the movement where I'm actually whipping the fastest, so to say. So I'm also cutting away the beginning of this clip, so I'll just split that up here, delete that section. So we're walking forwards, and now I will just take that portion of the clip and say split, and I will delete everything else because we do not need that. And then with the second shot, you also need to find the peak of your whip pan. So let's just search for that. I would say that looks pretty good. Let's split that up, delete that portion, and now let's play it back. So yeah, I think that looks very good. You could fine tweak that to make it even look a bit more seamless, but I think that's good enough for 99% of all scenarios. But that's basically it. That's how you can film and edit a whip pan transition with your all new Zhiyun Smooth 5S. In case you would like to learn more about filming with your smartphone, then make sure to click the first link down below. That will bring you to our totally free webinar where I share the top 5 secrets to shooting cinematic videos with your smartphone. So in case you have not seen that, make sure to check it out. And in case you have not seen the full review video of the Zhiyun Smooth 5S, then make sure to click that video over there. Bye bye.